Alright, third take. What is up, guys? It is me, Trash Salsa, for the third time. And today I'm going to be making a ceiling fan video. I believe this is the only ceiling fan video on the channel, but well, actually, no, that's not true. I have my own ceiling fan for my bedroom. Second ceiling fan video. And this is my fan, which is weird. So I got this at the dump, that weird shop they have, along with my Manning Bauman. The tan box fan, kind of looks like my Eskimo, that one. Got them both for free. So I got this, and then obviously the box fan. These are both vintage, so I'm kind of happy. These were both free, cost me nothing. So yeah, so I'm at my other grandparents' house, not the normal one that you guys are used to seeing. I'm at this, the other one that's farther away. We have it hooked up here where the garage door shuts. It's like that beam above. So, had a family member help me hook this up here. We just kind of cut off the end of one of the extension cords, like you might buy at Home Depot, one of these orange ones, and plugs into that. It splits the wires in there. I don't know how well you could see that. Probably not. It's all in the canopy. So, again, this is free, so pretty neato. And then again, it just plugs to an extension cord. So, for free, a ceiling fan that was pretty easy to install, which is not staying here, by the way. We're gonna take it down later. Pretty neat, I'd say. I mean, hey, vintage ceiling fan for free. I mean, bro, that's like a dream. So this is from 1991. It's a 1991 ViewFan V942A. I talked to Tori, the fan man, about it. We both think it's a ViewFan because of the model. So I'm just gonna call it a ViewFan. That's I guess the brand. I don't really collect ceiling fans. This is the only ceiling fan I have. I collect box fans, so it's still really cool to me. I always like ceiling fans because they're very cool looking. But they're just so hard because they're expensive. You gotta hook them up to a ceiling and do all this weird wiring to make them work, But hey, I like it. So without further ado, let's talk about it. It's got 5 blades, a 48-inch, I believe. So, get in here a little bit. The lighting's bad because I'm outside, but whatever. There's the rotor, I guess. It's got the switch for reverse. I don't know whoever used this as a dwarf or not, but this is so long. Unbelievable. Crazy. It's got 3 bulb things. The top of the blades have like a number. I don't know what that's for. There's the inside of that. There's the rotor. And then in here, I go on this side. There's some of the wiring. The wiring's down in that hole there inside the canopy base thing, whatever it is. I don't know my terminology because I'm not a ceiling fan collector. You want to make fun of me? Go ahead. So, it's got these style brackets. These are very common style, I believe. I've seen them on so many ceiling fans. I don't know what else to say. This is awkward for me. There's the lights. So I guess here's high. I'm really hoping this doesn't blow up and kill me. Because it's creaking and shaking. It's spinning very quickly and fast. For 1991, I'm impressed. I'm not sure if that's even considered old for a ceiling fan, but what else? Go to medium. Very nice breeze, by the way, especially out in this weather. Very hot. Someone went in the pool. Hopefully its apparent needs oil. I haven't oiled it yet. I'm probably going to after this video. It's low. Very loud. Unhappy ceiling fan. Doesn't buzz on high though, or I shouldn't say buzz, I should say vibrate, because it's an oil related thing. And I'll turn the lights on. And there we go. I'm actually glad the lights still look good on camera even though it's daytime. It's off. Spin down time, let's see. Now usually it's like a minute or two for the other ceiling fans I got. Or actually no, it's like 2.5 minutes usually. This one already appears to be a little bit shorter. Again, it needs oil, but whatever. Whatevs. I'll do it after the video. Well, hopefully you get that. I mean, it's a long spin down. I'm not going to sit there the whole time, though, because it's aching my back. Okay, there's the other way around. Reverse. It actually shakes more on reverse, which is weird. Whoa. Did that just move? That was fast. It just jerked its... look. I shouldn't be laughing though. That's probably not good. Medium. Still vibrates low. It's even louder on reverse. Off. Wait, I'm gonna leave it there. I want to see if it goes back or the other way if I turn it on. Alright, here we go. Yeah, it does. Kind of. Alright, well, apparently there's a way to fix it. My family member told me there's a nut in there. I tried to get a wrench for it, and wrenches I found were too small, so he's gonna have to help me find a bigger wrench. I know he's got them, I just don't know where. But anyways, I'll go up here. Oh, yeah, I got myself a dwarf ladder. Anyway, these are the stickers. V942A is the model, 0.5 amps. There is a way to test that, but I'm too lazy to get my kilowatt meter. And, T. Well, this fan is certainly, I mean, it looks like my cup of tea, but for some reason the fan doesn't like to behave. Let me get up here. I really hate doing this sometimes. Caution, blah, 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 blah. There's the date code, all 391. That's March of 1991. Read that just like you would read a box fan date code. So, here, let me get a thumbnail here.